shirt, new pants, new boots, a new hat. I left the old hoodie at home and now I feel like a new man. Whoa, my back!
Come on, old man.
An old man? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Damn, my back.
So we found a couple of the grass orchids. It's a non-native species, and they're all along the side of the trail here at the West Strand. I first took a picture of that one that looks kind of really special because you see the root system, but the flowers itself were withered and had too many spider webs. So I went on to this one, and this one looks really nice. I'm just gonna make sure that I clean all spider webs away here a little bit without harming the flower. And now it's just finding the right focus. I zoom it in a little. Try to find the one that is closest to the lens. I think this is it. Just make a picture. Everything is set. If it works out, here is a picture. I'm really happy with that long orchid, especially because we're not 1 week later, but 3 weeks later to go check out that Shadow Witch orchid. So I don't know if it will still be in bloom, but we're gonna check it out anyway. Come on. Wow, that's a big butterfly orchid plant. I'm gonna store this. I need the GPS because that's a beautiful plant here. So we made some changes in our plans. It was too windy to go see the Shadow Witch orchid. Instead, we are here with this beauty. It's the delicate violet orchid, Ionopsis, and it's in full bloom.
So I'm trying this Ionopsis. It is quite difficult because it has a lot of flowers and it's a tiny flower. So for the depth of field, it's quite difficult. But anyway, I was looking and putting the focus here, and then I came across those two here, like this ones. And I like this shot because, like you can see, in the background we still see the flower, but blurry. And that pops even more. So, if it works out, here it is.
So, Rudy is trying to find another cluster with this macro lens, but it's quite a challenge, and there's a lot of wind. On top of that, all the flowers have so much pollen on there. We try to clean them off, but it's still full of it. So I don't think it's gonna be the best picture, but I don't know. How is it looking, Rudy?
It is not that bad. Is it perfect? No. But is it bad? No. So I'm still quite happy. Here it is.
difficult to know which part of the flower you're gonna choose to make sharp with such a high depth of field with this macro lens. It's difficult, but I'm gonna try this one. Let me check. So I thought this was gonna be a good picture, but there is a distraction. There is some kind of distraction in the background, so I have to try and find a better angle to block out that background. I finally found one without any distractions in the background. It has a really nice greenish background. I think it's a good one.
All right, we are heading out. We had a good day, some good shots with the Ionopsis. Sadly enough, no shadow witch, too much wind, but maybe next time. But we will see each other at our famous bench.
So I guess we're at the famous bench. Rudy is digging in already. He's pretty hungry, but I'm hungry too, so I guess this is it for today, and we'll see you later, alligators.
See you later, alligators.